Meaning of Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss is the pen name of Theodore Geisel, an American author and illustrator famous for his children's books. Geisel wrote and illustrated more than 60 books during his career, many of which have become classics of children's literature, such as The Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. His books are known for their whimsical characters, rhyming text, and imaginative illustrations. Geisel's work has been translated into numerous languages and adapted into various forms of media, including movies and television shows.